Three fuck boys. Where y'all running to? Where y'all running to? Check your man out. Like he on to something. Like he gonna do something. Like he gonna do something. Diego. Ego. Yo, my man. What you sniffing for, man? Look, that's why your ass always regurgitating it. Because every time you come outside, you licking some shit. Look at man. He gets straight to it. Maxwell. Maxwell. What's up, Maxwell? Tell you, dogs are so smart and intelligent. They just weird as hell. Where the hell you come from? Huh, girl? Where did you just come from? What's up? What's down? You should be in the cage with your sister and them. That's why they always on your bumper. Because you be up here just chilling like you one of the heavy breathers. We keep them in the house and we don't let them stay in the kennel all day because they ass be done had a heat stroke. Y'all got all that extra energy. So why is you always out the kennel and they always in the kennel? They gonna hop right on your ass as soon as they come out. Watch. Hop right up on your ass. Yeah, this should go right there. This house chick. Look at them. They got mad as hell. Look how they looking. They got mad as hell. They like, we gonna get her as soon as we come out. Maxwell. Max. What you sniffing, man? Max, you gaining weight, dude. You need to get on a diet, bro. Cause you supposed to be the little one. You about heavy as Diego now. Where you going, man?
I can barely follow him.
Ego, where you going?
I know where Max.
Max always want to run around a cage and see if they could catch him. Watch how high this nut jump, though. Watch how high she jump. Her ass is like part kangaroo, part dog. I'm telling you. Hey, get out of there. Diego. Yo, get out of there. Check out. Watch when I walk down there. Watch how high she start jumping. Watch how high she start jumping. Watch how high she look, she already started. Like she trying to climb up out of that motherfucker. Maxwell, hey, Max. Put the nutso. Nutso. What are you doing, Nutso? Huh? What are you doing? Oh, you gotta get up and push it from out the crater. That's why it ain't going, because it's uneven. Girl, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Casey, let's go. Yes. Hey, Casey, this way. Yo, get over here. Hey. Yo, calm down. Doing all that rough house and shit. Calm down. Fat man. Fat man. Max. Yo, get over here. Leave Diego and come back. Grab the bowls. Grab the 2 bowls from out the kennel. Maxwell, come on. Let's go, Max. Look, them babies done sucked the life out of my girl Casey. She was built. Casey look like a straight now. God damn. Look, they baby hear you. They hear you. You make sure you get straight out to them babies, huh? Oh, no, look, Blackfoot. Come on, Blackfoot. Blackfoot, that ain't your mama. You gonna flip on you. Come on, Blackfoot. Yeah.
But you don't feed the other ones?
I don't like leaving them out here where I can't see them and then she start tripping. Come on. Yeah, but I don't want her to hurt one of them. See, I leave the black one in there, she might not notice him. What? That nigga got bigger. He was littler than that shit. Yeah, on the back. Yeah, she just want to eat shit. What's up, cuzzo? You a troublemaker. I don't trust you. That little nigga, can't trust him. That big old head and that little old body.